wash your Snuggin Go. Snuggin Go, turn it upside down. The first thing you're going to do is this is your leg rest, and you're going to take your leg rest off. To do that, you're going to unvelcro this and this, take that out, take this out, and set it aside. Next, this is your neck, and you're going to take your neck off. To do that, you're going to take this flap and pull it, pull this up, and that slides right out. The other side, pull that out, and then it just slides right out. Go ahead and put that aside too. This is your main component for your Snuggin Go, and you're going to continue to unvelcro all of the components. Unvelcro these, the sides on the inside, and then pull your frame to your Snuggin Go out. This is not washable. You do want to set this aside. Next, you're going to take your foam out of all of your components. To do that, you're going to just flip this up and slowly push this out, not damaging the foam, and push that out. This is not washable, set it aside as well. Flip this back inside out. Take this side, do the same again, pull it out gently as to not damage the foam. Again, not washable, set it aside. And then flip that back, lay that flat, put it aside, ready to wash. Your leg rest, you're going to also take the Velcro and pull it and undo it. Again, take your fingers, gently push the foam out as to not damage it, and set that aside. Flip it back inside out. With the leg rest, you are going to Velcro, put the Velcro back together on that. So, there you go. Your neck piece, you're going to also unvelcro. All of this comes apart on one side, take it, unfold it on the other side. This is not washable, also set this aside. Then to get this foam out, it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to fold that under and push the foam out. Don't pull it too hard because you don't want to damage your foam again. So it's not washable, set it aside. Now, you're ready to wash your Snuggin Go. So you're going to take all three of your components, main component, neck, and leg piece, leg rest, and we're going to go wash our Snuggin Go. Your washing machine to gentle or delicates, and then select cold on your cycle. Use your normal washing detergent, or if you feel the need, non-chlorine bleach. You're going to air dry all of your components to your Snuggin Go. Now we're going to put your Snuggin Go back together. First thing we're going to do is take your foam, and these edges are always going to be, this flat edge will always be on the outside, on both sides. Your flat edge is on the outside. The curvature goes inside, cradling the baby. So we're going to take this side and we're going to line it up on the inside, the foam, with the corner of the material, pushing it in the corners so it's nice and snug. Then you're going to take this bottom, that flat edge, and you're just going to lay it right down on the side of the Snuggin Go, and you're going to continue to hold the bottom and push it through, pulling it, again, aligning that bottom edge with the material. And then you're going to pull that a little bit, give it a nice tug, make sure it's all even. And then you're going to put your other side in. Again, this edge is going to be straight. You're going to have the flat edge on the corner and the rounded going in. To put this side in is the same thing. You're going to take your fingers and hold this securely, lining it up against the material of the Snuggin Go, taking that flat edge and just laying it down slowly and carefully stuffing it. Continue to hold this bottom, flip that part over, and go ahead and slide that in, again aligning with the edge of the material. You're going to pull that securely. You're going to lay this upside down now. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your frame with your Velcro facing up. All of your Velcro will face up. To put this in, you're going to gently slide that in and slide that part in, going down. Now, with this bottom right here, you only want to take this Velcro and put it halfway because you're going to need that other half for your leg rest. So you want that to be nice, flat and smooth, halfway. The sides, you're going to take, and you're just, this Velcro right here will line up with the Velcro on your frame, laying nice and flat like that, flipping that over, and nice and flat. Same with the other side, flip the flat, take your Velcro, line it up, and press firmly. Now, we are going to do our neck rest. This piece of foam, you're going to take your finger and push it in almost like you're folding a taco and hold it like that with your index finger on that corner. You're going to take that and you're going to push it and stuff it in, keeping your index finger on that corner because it's going to align correctly with this corner inside. So we're going to take that and you're going to pull it so that you can feel the foam right on the edge inside. Same thing on the other side. You're going to press in the middle because it's memory foam, so you want to hold it like that, like a taco. Put your index finger there and take that and you're going to push it all the way in so that you can feel the material in that piece. And you're going to pull it firmly a little bit. Then you're going to take your corners and you're just going to stuff them down so that it lays flat. It's going to be perfectly flat. You shouldn't have any foam sticking out. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your neck frame and you're going to take your fingers, hold this flap of your Snuggin Go, and it's going to go right in there. So you're just going to slide that in. And you're going to take your Velcro and you're only going to go halfway up because you're going to need the other half for the other side. Press firmly. Again, taking your flap, sliding it underneath that plastic. And you're going to use the other half of your Velcro and firmly press. There you go. Our leg rest, we're going to reopen our Velcro, open that back up, and you're going to take, again, the flat side is facing up this time. So that's about like a half circle, half moon, and that is 2. So flat side facing up, you're going to put it directly inside, like so, again, aligning the material up with the shape of the edge of your leg rest. You're going to take that rounded bottom part and just slowly slide it in, aligning your other side like you did with the other side. And then you're going to take your edge and you're just going to slightly press it down because you want this side to be completely flat. So you can press your foam down a little bit in order to get the Velcro securely fastened again. So you want to press that down because it'll end up just pushing right back up and securely fasten your leg rest. Again, flat on the bottom right here and aligning all of the edges with the material. To put your leg rest back on your Snug and Go, you're going to take your main component and you're going to take your right side and take this open flap that you have, leaving this remaining on the Velcro. You're going to take this corner and you're going to put it all the way in on the other corner so that there's no holes or anything here. It's a seamless corner. You're going to take the other side and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put it all the way in that corner so that there's no holes and no gaps, leaving it a seamless corner. Then, if you want to straighten your Snug and Go, give it a pull like that and press firmly down so that the remaining of your Velcro is securely fastened. Next part is your last component, and you're going to take your neck rest and you're going to also, everything's going to remain upside down right now while you're putting this on. You're going to take your flap and you're going to flip it, and you're going to take the inside of your frame and you're going to pull that up so that you can take this part of your neck frame and securely fasten it inside your Snug and Go frame. You're going to take that other half and that slides directly right into the other half of your neck frame and fold your flap over. Same thing goes for the other side. You're going to pull the inside of your frame up so that you can securely fasten the inside of your neck rest. Then the outside goes with the outside and flap. Now you know you've done your Snug and Go correctly when you can adjust accordingly and it's just a seamless, adjustment. And there's your Snug and Go.